Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can add a recording of your computer screen, with or without audio, to a presentation slide in PowerPoint by using the Screen Recording command. This is helpful if you want to add a demonstration of a specific program into your presentation. To record audio along with a screen recording, you must have a microphone, audio card, and speakers on your computer. The speakers let you hear what you record. To insert a screen recording into a PowerPoint slide, click the Screen Recording button in the Media button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon. A pop-up box then appears on screen. To select the area of the screen to record, click the Select Area button in the pop-up box. Your cursor then turns into a crosshairs icon. Then click and drag from the upper left corner of the area to record down and to the right, and release the mouse button when in the lower right corner of the area to record. A dashed red rectangle then outlines the screen area to record. Anything appearing inside the outline is recorded. The Audio and Record pointer buttons in the pop-up box are automatically selected by default. To turn either off before you start recording if desired, click the desired button to turn it off. Then open the program, video, or whatever content you want to record and ensure the content appears within the red recording rectangle. To begin recording, click the Record button in the pop-up box. You will be given a 3-count countdown before recording starts. To stop recording after you finish recording, click the large square button in the pop-up box to stop recording, or press the Windows logo key plus Shift key plus Q key on your keyboard. Your screen recording is then inserted into the current slide as a new slide object. To save your screen recording as an external file if desired, right-click the screen recording object and choose the Save Media As command to open a Save Media As dialog box. Use this dialog box to navigate into the folder into which to save the file. Then type a name for the file into the name field, and click the Save button to save the screen recording. After inserting a screen recording, you can then manipulate the screen recording object as needed. A screen recording has the same playback, editing, and formatting options as any other video file you insert into a presentation from your computer.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.